How to fix Instagram story not deleting. Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this problem easy and fast. So all what you have to do is just open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager, click on apps. Now on this page you will find all the apps that you have downloaded on your phone. Just wait a few seconds and scroll down until you find Instagram. When you find it, click on it, click here on force stop, and after that check the data usage right here. Check if all the network access options are enabled, from the mobile data, the Wi-Fi, the background data, and the roaming data. Go back and now turn off the Wi-Fi and turn it on, and then reopen Instagram. That's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.